Hey everybody, it's me, JC, author of Make a Payment. You can grab a copy on Amazon, or if you're in my Facebook group, just send me a DM and we can get you a free PDF copy of the ebook. Anyways, I'm here to talk to you guys about another Sunday sit down. Let's sit down and figure out what we're doing with our finances. Right? So my book is about debt consolidation and creating a debt-free plan, but there is more to just getting out of debt than a financial picture. So imagine that your financial situation is like a boat. Now, most people I talk to, they end up having some kind of holes in their financial boat that need patching up, right? And so what we do is we do a financial needs analysis where we sit down with families and we look at all of their income, all of their expenses, line by line, all of the little details about what's composing their entire financial picture, and looking to see what are the areas that we can improve upon, whether that be cash flow, increasing your income or reducing expenses, whether that be debt management. Do you have a debt-free plan? Are you out of debt? Because the average American, about 50% of their expenses goes to, or income goes to living expenses. About a quarter of it goes to debt, and a quarter of it goes to the government for taxes. Now, depending on what state you're on, that could be more or less than 25% for taxes. But the main purpose of this example is that 50%, 25%, 25%, that basically leaves nothing for savings. And so what we do is we try and sit down with families and figure out where are the holes in their financial boat, so we can actually take pieces out of that pie and put it towards savings, towards retirement, towards their children's education, and so forth, and build that lasting legacy for their family. So if you have any questions at all about your personal financial situation, I'm your guy. Just go ahead and send me a message, like, share, comment. My mission is to help people better understand their finances, and the only way we do that is through education. Let's face it, we were not taught the things that we should have learned in school, in life, or we should have learned in life in school. So anyways, thank you again for your time. Thanks for being here. God bless, and let's keep that finance mindset strong.